Today we're trying a new Brazilian Lebanese fusion restaurant called the Opele. I have their charcoal chicken sandwich wrap, and acai bowl. Let's try. The sauce inside of this is amazing. Some more garlic sauce. Some french fries. This chicken smells amazing. I cannot wait to try this. I'm telling you, this chicken is so juicy. It's insane. Some more french fries. I love that they have pickles all over the platter because these are my favorite. Next, I have their acai bowl, and it's so hot outside. This is perfect. I've never had an acai bowl before, but this is so refreshing. It's not overly sweet, and the granola and the fruit together is perfect.